evening. Tonight, Elon Musk makes one of his riskiest bets ever, linking Tesla's fortunes to Bitcoins. The world's richest man now investing $1.5 billion worth of his company's money in the cryptocurrency. Its price hit a record high on the news. One Bitcoin is now worth close to $43,000 US.
39,000. Where's it going?
Where is it going? It's probably going to 100, then 150, then 200,000.
Wow, you just heard it straight from the experts. Bitcoin is heading to $200,000. And if you like the idea of earning some free Bitcoin and free crypto using just the computer, tablet, or smartphone, then stick with me because I'm about to detail a secret online hack that has allowed me to generate at least $127 every single day in free crypto and free Bitcoin. Hey, my name is Glyn Koski. I'm a tech entrepreneur from London in the United Kingdom. I've tried many things in the past to earn a full-time living online, but nothing has been as easy and as fast as generating free crypto and free Bitcoin with this brand new 3-step system. So if you're sick of struggling trying to make money online, not having enough today, not having enough for the future, then I've got the perfect solution for you because I'm about to reveal to you a real world first to market application that has allowed us to siphon free crypto and free Bitcoin from this billion-dollar niche that keeps growing in value every single day. Yes, we are talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and of course, the infamous Dogecoin amongst many other famous coins.
Your decision a complete no-brainer. Your tiny investment is protected by our industry-leading 180-day money-back guarantee. Use the app, the done-for-you sites, and the free traffic for up to 6 months completely risk-free. There's only one catch though. To get everything at this insanely low one-time cost, you need to act right now to take advantage of this launch special deal. So if you're ready for unlimited traffic from the hottest new niche on the planet, to generate free crypto and free Bitcoin from today's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, and to scale in today's hottest new niche online with unlimited demand, then click the button right now to lock in your discount immediately. I'll see you on the inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and anything that will help you make money online. Today I have another amazing product, one that is called 10 times Bitcoin commissions. 10 times Bit Commissions is going live on the 20th of May 2022 at exactly 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you. And this, I believe, is 4 p.m. Central European Time, and that's 3 p.m. GMT. And of course, like I said before, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, that's New York time for you. And this one is going live, being put out there by the great and super affiliate Glyn Koski. And in a nutshell, this is an application, an app and a software that is going to help you generate Bitcoins. And of course, this does not matter whether the fluctuations of the Bitcoin factor, and as you can know, these very periods where in the market crash and the Bitcoins are very low, going up and down, fluctuating. And of course, this very application is such that it's going to harvest Bitcoin for you without minding the fluctuations on the market of the Bitcoin cryptocurrency space. Okay, so this is a very good one, I believe, and if you look at all the reviews about this product, you will agree with me that it's one that may probably help you make money online. And if as such this is one you may need, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will definitely bring you to the amazing bonus page, and if you do click that link and buy it from my link, definitely I have some bonuses that I'm going to give you, and definitely I may be getting a fraction of some commission from the vendor, okay, for using my link to buy it. Now, the issue is that that very link, when you click it, will bring you to the amazing bonus page that I have for you, which is exactly where we are right now, and you can grab a copy using this button or any of the yellow buttons scattered all over this place. And of course, it's going to believe last for the next 5 days, this launch. And it says that this product is, like I told you before, in 60 seconds flat, 100% automated crypto app, pays you in the neighborhood of $127 in free Bitcoin every 24 hours. And he says that they are making thousands in free crypto. And now, this is what the product says it's all about. And it says that it's a done-for-you crypto and Bitcoin NFT affiliate system. top converting crypto offers included, earn free crypto and free Bitcoin, built-in crypto targeted free traffic, setup takes less than 60 seconds. I doubt that, because I doubt that it will be just less than 60 seconds to set up this. Sometimes some of this marketers write a lot of things, but I know that if this is going to work, like I assume it's going to work, definitely it will take more than 60 seconds. In-demand app in the current climate, easier system to earn crypto from, and of course get in front of the hottest new niche in years, automated system, custom built, especially for beginners, and no monthly costs when you get in this very, very one. Now, this is what basically it's all about, and then without wasting your time, if you stick with me as well, I will take you to the sales page where you are going to have a look at what this is all about, talking about the sales page of this product. And of course, this is one I believe that may be of a great interest to you. When you get here, you may have that opportunity to get a pop-up that is going to give you something like a discount on this very product, so that you can get it for much less. Unfortunately, I don't have the review access to the software area. I waited for it up till now. I've not got it, and this product is going live today on the 20th. I decided to go ahead to review it, and of course, when you buy this using my link, you have automatic access to the members area, so that you can see the training and how this can be put into effect for you. Okay, with that said, let us now go back to the My Bonus page and see the pricing. Here you have the OTO number one. The front end goes for $17. With that very discount coupon that I'm talking about, you have a discount of $5, making it $12 for you. And now the OTO number one is the unlimited version of this product, which is very advisable to get, because that is where you have the unlimited version. Because if there is any limitations whatsoever on the front end, you cover those limitations with this OTO number one, which is unlimited. OTO number two will be done for you. Everything is set up for you by the system, by the support, so that you don't have to actually do anything. You make money lazily through the cryptocurrency space. And of course, OTO number three will be unlimited traffic. Without traffic, there is no making money online. That is why so many people spend so many years online trying to figure out how to make money online. It's because of traffic. Without traffic, it's basically impossible to make money. So this is unlimited traffic that will be driven to this very product. Now you have OTO number four, which is automation. Everything is on autopilot, set up for you by the support, which is another offer that you may consider. And here you have OTO number five, which is the ATM, which goes for $47. And here you have the OTO number 6, the ultimate, goes for $47. And then OTO number 7 license rights go for $37. So if you can get this front end for $12 with a discount coupon on the sales page, you can always get this one unlimited. And then of course, if you want to work lazily and make money, then you can get for $47 this done for you. Okay, that's about what we have on the pricing, which you can see, of course, is also written very much clearly down here. And here are the amazing benefits you stand to gain. Like I told you, once activated, they enjoy 127 free crypto every 24 hours. Now, that is basically what you have, and you have 30-day money back guarantee. And like I told you before, any of these links will take you to the sales page, where you are going to use any of the links there to actually, yellow links as well, to actually check out on this one, and you'll be able to get a copy for yourself. That I can assure you. Okay, so now what we are going to if you get here on the sales page, you see this link, you click it. When you do, you definitely have a copy. Now let me show you through my amazing bonuses for you, which are tailored to bring out the best in this one. This is another automation hack that you can use to automate your program in such a way that you'll be able to make between 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot. And now my bonus number 2 will be how to get targeted traffic to any link. Getting traffic to any link or business of yours, website, squeeze page, sales page, landing page, whatever it is out there that you want to market, you can use this very tutorial to get information on how you can automate traffic to that link, even targeted traffic. Now, my bonus number 3 will be how to convert your traffic fast. Getting traffic is one thing, and having the ability to know how to structure the system in such a way to convert them as fast as possible, which turns into the clicks that you need to make money, then this will be the hack you need to get trained on that. And now my bonus number 4 will be affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. I am an affiliate marketer, and so many affiliate marketers are scattered all over the world, and are making between 370 billion markets, volume on yearly basis, and you can tap into this very source by knowing how to do affiliate marketing properly, okay, from scratch. I mean, my bonus number 5 will be all the vendor bonuses for this product will be yours through this very link, and of course you will have access to that on the members area. Now, if you click here, you will get to the sales page, and you will use any of the links here, yellow as well, on the sales page to get a copy for yourself. When you eventually do, you will be able to come back to my WarriorPlus account or directed to my WarriorPlus account, where you will be able to check out on this product. When you do check out on this product, you will have a page like this under your purchase history. You will find this very bottom green one gives you access to 10 times Bitcoin commissions, which is 10x Bitcoin commissions, and of course the blue button below it will give you access to these amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. And if you have any issues, you can always be addressed using this email address. And with that said, we have taken care of the bonuses that I have for you, and of course now we have looked at the pricing, which is basically very cheap for the front end. With Bitcoin, with the pop-up discount coupon, you'll be able to have it for $12 instead of $17. And now let us take a look at the sales page together and see how it is basically structured. You can, at your convenience, go through this and know what you are buying, and of course decide if it's for you. If it's for you, definitely use the amazing link that I have there for you on my bonus page, and of course the description area. The first link will give you access to my bonus page, and then you click any of the buttons there, you'll get here on the sales page where you can use any of the yellow buttons here to actually check out on this product, and then structure it and put it into practice by going through the training on the dashboard area, which you will have automatic access to, and then you see how this one will help you begin to make money. Okay, so it's a product being put out there by Glenn Kosky. He's a 7-figure digital marketer and creator, and I have some confidence in his ability to create products to make people make money online. So this is basically why I'm doing this. Let's see if we can locate the amazing bonuses from the vendor, so that you can read through this and see if, because this has to do with, these are the NFTs. It's a $10 billion market, and you can see so many people are changing their lives with this, the crypto industry and the NFTs and all the other forex trading, and everything is going crazy right now, in the absence of the fact that the crypto, the Bitcoin is down. It doesn't matter, but this app, as the creator says, will help you even harvest Bitcoin, whether the price is high or down. It doesn't matter. So now let's see if we can locate the vendor bonuses that I promised to give you on the members area of this product, so that you see what you stand to gain from the vendor when eventually you pick up this product using the link in my description area. Okay, now this is about all we have here. It looks like the bonuses from the vendor are not located in the sales page as usual. I don't know why that is. Okay, yeah, here we go. 10K Bitcoin commission system, which is bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 will be 60 seconds commission guide. Bonus number 3 will be Bitcoin 100%, 100 times advanced strategies. Bonus number 4 from the vendor will be 5 million online blueprint. That's 4 from the vendor, 4 from me. 8 crazy bonuses that you will need to actually get started with this one and see if this will help you make money online. And with that said, we will come gradually to the end of this one. If you are new to my channel or you are a returning customer, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications. And if possible, share this very video so that others will get acquainted with the fact that they can make money online using this very amazing 10 times Bitcoin commissions product from Glenn Kosky. Okay, I'll come back to you in my next video. Till then, this is your Mike of MikeMbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me from here. It's goodbye.